Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video we're gonna make chicken in the oven and beans rice. So to start this this recipe, I'm gonna start making the chicken. So here in this small cup I have already parsley and the coriander. I'm using frozen one, but if you don't like it you don't need to. Here I have chopped onion and the garlic. I'm gonna put all inside of this little jar, and because I like to blend all together to make a flavor for my chicken. Here I have a lemon juice. I have about one lemon juice. I have here half chicken cube. I don't used to, but today I want to put just to add extra flavor, because I don't have too much time to leave my chicken here, to get flavor. So I'm gonna just make it and put it straight to the oven. So it's just half, and here I have a cayenne pepper, black pepper, cumin seeds, salt, paprika, and just everything here just to add more flavor. So now what we're gonna do, if you like to put tomatoes, you can put tomatoes as well. I don't want to. So just now I'm gonna blend all together. Here I have chicken just like this. I already washed my chicken. Some people don't like to touch chicken, but I don't mind, I like to cook. I love to cook, so I don't mind touching chicken because after I wash my hand properly. Here chicken is all with flavor on. Some people like to add olive oil or just any oil, but I'm not gonna add any oil here. Just gonna put straight to the oven now, and you're gonna make your beans rice. Now we're gonna start making beans rice. I'm gonna add all this oil. But if you want to cook with the oil, it's up to you as well. So now I have chopped onion and the garlic. I'm gonna add here. To make this rice, I'm gonna make it with 10 beans. I used to boil my beans myself at home to make the rice, but today I'm gonna just make it maybe with the already cooked bean in a tin. Just fry here a little bit. Now we add some tomato can as well. I'm gonna add here some bay leaves. Here I'm gonna add here paprika, black pepper, salt, and cumin seeds. And I'm gonna cook it for a few minutes. Now we're gonna add here rice. I washed my rice. Now here I like to fry my rice a little bit, you know. So now I'm gonna add here the bean. Like I said, I use 10 beans. This one. If you live in England, you can find this one very easily. So now I like to make it, to be honest, I like to make it with more beans, you know, but I don't have dry beans at home to cook it, so that's why I'm making with this one. Now I'm gonna add some hot boiled water. Yes, so I like to add the boiled water just and to, you know, cover all the rice, no more that. If you that, you can see it's not too much water, you see. And I'm gonna leave it, put lid on and leave it in a low rating until it's cooked and dry. Before that, I'm gonna just try the salt. I'm gonna add a little bit more, just like that, and mix it again. And leave it in a very, not very low, but it wasn't a 4, you know, but now I change it down to 3. So I'm gonna leave until dry and it cook. When it's done, I'll be back to show you.